A concepting session between the Toyota engineering and design teams resulted in a divergence from the off-road focus at the 2023 SEMA Show. The brainstorming sessions pointed to a street truck build, a modernized X-Runner concept, based on the all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. The X-Runner concept benefits from a modified I-Force 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 producing 421 horsepower. To support the chassis modifications and engine, the overall track width was increased by just over 3 inches and the frame was strengthened. When it came to styling, the team made a point to maintain the Tacoma's design language, including the use of interlocking shapes and fluid forms central to its chiseled liquid DNA. The concept's aggressive front fascia is completed with Tacoma XB LED projector headlights, with X-Runner laser ablation lenses. Front and side bodywork features custom aero fairings with functional venting that cools X-Runner's 13.9-inch Tundra front brakes, providing higher heat capacity. The functional hood scoop is purpose-built as well, drawing cool air into the engine bay.